Hello, Bachu. Let us look into the question. The question says, in order to code for all 20 amino acids, the code should be made up of 3 nucleotide. This statement was suggested by. Now, so the key concept is the timeline of discovery of genetic code. Let us look into it. The timeline of discovery of genetic code is this. And what was the component of the timeline of discovery of genetic code was at first George Gamow, a scientist, he suggested that all the amino acids are coded by three nucleotide, and he said that at this three position, four combination was possible at each place. That means 64 कोडॉन्स प्रेजेंट होंगे 64 कोडॉन होंगे 20 अमाइनो एसिड को कोड करने के लिए. दिस वॉज द स्टेटमेंट गिवन बाई जॉर्ज गैमो. बट ये कैसे कोड होंगे, बाकी की जो एक्स्ट्रा कोड होंगे उनका क्या होगा, दैट वॉज डेसिफर्ड आफ्टरवर्ड्स. लेट अस लुक इनटू इट. After George Gamow, there came Hargobind Khurana, one of the most prominent scientists of the timeline. Hargobind Khurana, he emphasized on the RNA synthesis of desired sequences, homopolymer and copolymer. After that, Marshall Nierenberg told us about the cell-free protein synthesis. Cell-free protein synthesis. Apart from that, after that, a scientist came named Xavier, or you can say Servo. His name was Servo Okwa. He said that you can say टेम्पलेट इंडिपेंडेंट फैशन में भी आरएनए सिंथेसिस हो सकता है. टेम्पलेट इंडिपेंडेंट आरएनए synthesis. He discovered an enzyme named polynucleotide phosphorylase. So this was the timeline of the discovery of genetic code. ये सारी discoveries हुई slowly and gradually, and they came to the conclusion कि वाकई में एक अमाइनो एसिड को कोड करने के लिए 3 न्यूक्लियोटाइड की जरूरत होती है, और द नंबर ऑफ न्यूक्लियोटाइड जिनकी कॉम्बिनेशन के बेसिस पे ये द न्यूक्लियोटाइड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ विच द अमाइनो एसिड इज कोडेड इज AUGC. Now the probability of A is 1/4 at this place. At this place there can be U, there can be G, there can be C. All of the four, this basis has the equal probability. So 4 into 4 into 4, that makes 64 codon. So this was the timeline. Now let us look into the question. In order to code for all 20 amino acids, the code should be made up of 3 nucleotides. This statement was suggested by George Gamow. So we can say कि option B सही है. Hope you all understood.